Okay, Mexican power. Let's play ED here. It's something unusual. Bishop. What about B3 or B4 gambit? I'm sick of these set of counters. They do seem to give a good position for black. So something unusual. It's probably not very sound. What about G3? Yeah, bishop G2. Given I've blocked in the bishop anyway. Ah, hack attack. I'll stop that. I don't need to play for F4, do I? Later. Oh, B7's and pre. I'll snap that up. There was a point then to Rook B1, which was unveiled. I don't know about F3 here. Knight B6 would be trapping. Poor thing, poor rook. What about bishop E3? To stop that. Bishop E3. Might as well. Actually, Queen B1. Queen B1 coming up. In fact, Queen B1. Say bishop C8. Rook A7. Rook A7. Queen B6. Hitting C6. Say rook C7. Is it all necessary? Not. It's probably not, is it? Looks a bit fun though. Queen B1. Okay. Bishop B6. Bishop C8. In fact, so I'll do it anyway. Yes. Okay. Bishop C8. Rook A7. It is then. Oh. Okay. And that King E2 here, just looks safe enough. That's Rook B8, so he's not careful. Or that Knight B5 takes check. Or just knight takes, maybe simple. Knight takes. And maybe bishop c5, queen c5, rook b8. I think starters knight d5. Avoid knight takes c3 check, forking queen king would be useful in any case. Maybe taking with bishop now. Stop that again, that fork. So if queen d5, rook b8, if cd there's queen b5 anyway. Okay, so maybe he's trying to avoid that queen b5, but I think I can get the guys in now with rook b1. Get the heavy mob in. Rook b1. The rook isn't pre. Is there anything stronger? Queen c7, king f7, bishop g5 has got king g6. Bishop g5 would prompt f6. And queen c7 there, queen d7 is queen e5. Interesting. Bishop g5, f6, rook b1 though. Say fg, rook b7, king f6. I mean, all this looks pretty exciting. So there's a queen a7 check. And there's always king f6, the king running. So the question is, do I want that king to run? So bishop g5, f6 again, have a look at that again. Rook b1, fg, rook b7, king f6. In that position there's queen e8. Oh, let's do it, sack the bishop. So fg, I think it's just weakened this king a little bit more. Oh, he's not doing it, okay. Which is better, rook b7. Let's play for rook b7. Right, his king's going to be safe. This is Queen E8. Queen E8. My king's not on dark squares, so no discover check with bishop. That rook B4 or something. F3. That F3 here. Out of threatening G4. 42 seconds. It would be a bit tragic if I didn't get something from this. But I'm quickly running out of time here with all this stuff. So I know rook B4 and G4, trying to weave a mating there. Rook B4 just takes, unfortunately. Bishop F6. Okay, he's on C2 now. Like Queen D7. Queen D7. If Queen E6 has G4. Okay, let's just go back here for a sec. 28 seconds. If Queen C2, okay, Queen F7. Let's get into my king. What about G4? Oh, this one's good. I'll play this one. 19 seconds. Almost got. He hasn't got Bishop B4. He hasn't got Queen D3. I think I need to ban out the perpetual. Actually, I'm going to ban out the perpetual if possible. Unless there's anything crushing. I can't see it with 19 seconds. That's okay. So Queen G6 and what? H6 would threaten. Okay, that's the plan actually. Queen G6 and H6 to threaten Rook G7. Okay, so there is a draw here. What about H6 then? Okay, there's no Queen H5 here. 12 seconds. Bishop E7, Queen G7. Rook H6, Bishop H6. Queen H5, Queen H5. Queen E7, just Rook E7. Ouch! Uh-oh, he's got Queen H5. Or anything. I've messed up. I'm going to lose on time. That's a real shame. Unless there's a plan here, D4, E5. It's a bit long-winded. A bit too long-winded, really. It's all over. Ah, sick. Only it's provisional. Fantastic. I'll carry on another one. Anyway, there was a bailout which I should have just bailed out. Queen G6, Queen F7, perpetual. Shame. So I think, to his credit, this Rook H7. That's Queen F7's mating. King H8. No. Just Queen F7, King H, and then Rook B8. That's crushing. Yeah, I just didn't factor this in. If I could have anticipated this, to have Queen F7 and Rook B8 prepared. Yeah. So, Wingmut. I'll play King's Engine, I think, again. Did we just play him earlier in the King's Engine? So if he's going to play that main line again, it'll be take 2 for him. Okay. He's going to change the variation. Yes. Alright, let's play for E5 anyway, or C5. B5. Be annoying, maybe. go back here. It's got a bit of a bind. So I haven't got the typical King's Engine stuff. Changing the character of the position with this variation. Let's go over here passively. Oh, it looks as though I'm going to get murdered here. What about F6 to try and hold things up? Grovel, grovel, grovel. Hey, I can grovel with knight F8 as well. But it's going to play E5 at some point here. He's on that G6 square. About F5 here. Looks as bad as anything. Actually, I can play Queen D7 and support F5. At least E5 doesn't seem totally possible at the moment. Oh, Knight H6 to G4. Hope. If I can get in Knight H6 to G4. Not sure about this H4 business. I can take the G pawn. Oh, there's Rook G5. I'll take this. This is Rook G6. He's going to be aggressive with Rook G6. That's nasty. Okay, stop bishop. Stop the Knight G5. I can play E6. I could be getting sliced here. So what about Queen D7 or E6 or E5? Looks terrible. Queen D7. Dear oh dear. E6 then. Just Rook F5 or something. It looks crushing, doesn't it? Have I got any cheapos? Knight D4's bishop D4 check. Okay, what about this one? Oh, no. Oh, because there's Queen C3 here. That's pretty annoying. It looks completely lost actually in this position. I could just resign it now. A quick 15-minute video for the next time. Okay. No, that's not how to play that variation. Surely. That's big advantage for white, big blind. I think an E6 at some point maybe would have been better. Okay. Right. If you want comments or questions on this, a bit of a disaster. Anyway, thanks very much.